Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to study about the desktop icons on the desktop. In previous video, we have studied and learned about the desktop, the components of the desktop, all the icons, the taskbar on the desktop. So today, we will study about the icons, the main icons of the desktop. As we have already studied that what are the components of a desktop. As in this picture, from a textbook, page number 44, we'll see we have an image of a desktop in which there is a scenery as a background. We call this background as a wallpaper, and over this scenery we have a many icons. These are the graphical icons which are representing some program or application. So these are called the icons. On the base of our desktop we see a taskbar over which have some we have some shortcut icons. Right on the right bottom corner we have the system tray, the notification area. So this is what the desktop is consist of. Then the icons. So today we'll study about these four important icons of a desktop. These all four icons are computer, network, users, file, and recyclable. These are the default icon on the desktop. Default icon means whenever we load a system, when system software such as any operating system in our computer, these icons get loaded on our desktop automatically. We do not need to create this icon for accessing the softwares or to know the hardware of a computer. It is automatically created by the system software, which is an operating system. So let us study in detail about these four icons. The first is a computer. This is a graphical icon of a computer which will represent the main hardware of a computer, the storage area of a computer. So what is this? This is with the help of a computer icon, you can see everything available in computer. It has many files, folders and drives. Computer window opens when you double click on computer icon. So means we can see the actual storage area, the storage location, the files, the folders, whatever is loaded into a computer through this icon. We need to open this icon in a desktop, and then it will give us access for the entire computer storage area. So we to open this icon we need to double click on it. The next is a network icon. You can see your network setting by opening this icon. So if our computer is in network, so we can create the network, we can see the computer which are connected to our computer, we can see the different resources which are connected to our computer through this icon. So when your computer is not a standalone computer but it is a one of a node in a workstation or in network, then you need to see the entire computers connected with our system through this network icon. The third important icon is users file. This is an icon used to save the file created or downloaded. You can save your files and folders in this folder. When you double click on this icon, you will see the following display. So this is how we are going to see the different folders which are very important folders in our computer. So users files means the one who is using a computer, one who is the owner of a computer, or maybe a multi-user environment also. We get a this icon, and then inside this folder we can see the contacts of a user, the desktop uh, area of a user, the desktop setting done by the user, the customization done by the user, then the downloads, then favorites. Favorites means whatever the user is continuously using every time when he is switching on the computer, Everything goes inside this. Then the links, uh, my documents, my music, my pictures, my videos, then searches and saved games. It is everything is in users folder. So these are the four important icon on the computer. The finally we have a recycle bin, and recycle bin is a location where all the deleted files are stored temporarily. Means even if we are deleting anything from a computer, it will not delete that file or folder or any object from a computer for permanently. For some time it will keep that deleted item into a recycle bin, so that in future if we may need to get the things back, we can use this recycle bin to restore those items. So these are the four main icons or a default icon created by a computer on a desktop. Then my computer icon provides access to the different parts on your hard disk. Now we are going to study about these icons in detail. So you can access the different drives like hard drives, floppy drives, network drives inside my computer. So if you open my computer, you can see the exit memory location, exit storage area of the computer, how much your computer is storing and how much is the partition of the storage, in how many partition that the hard disk of a computer is done, and what are the other storage media your computer is connected to, like do you have the optical drive like CD drive, DVD drive, or any flash disk like pen drives. All you can see under this icon. And recycle, and all, as we already studied, that all the deleted files and folders are moved to the recycle bin whenever you do not need a file or folder. You delete it from its location, but it is not deleted permanently from the computer, but it goes to recycle bin. So as I told you that whenever we deleted a file or any folder, it uh, it goes to the recycle bin. And to delete a file or a folder permanently, you have to delete it from the recycle bin also. And actually, the as I said, the data stored in the recycle bin, the it is for temporary period, because after 20 or 30 days it automatically empties the recycle bin. For that long, we can have an option of restoring our deleted files if we have done it by mistake, or in case in near future we want all those deleted file and folders, so we can get it back from the recycle bin. So it is one of the it is serving as a backup storage for us. Then in case you have deleted a file or folder by mistake, then you need not to worry about it. And there may be a case that if we have deleted something by mistake, not intentionally, but then also we don't need to worry, because it has kept that file or a folder on any object into the recycle bin. From there we can restore it. This the getting back of a deleted file or a folder from a recycle bin is called restore. So this is a word, uh, it's a command inside a recycle bin. When we open a recycle bin, we can restore a deleted file. Here we can see inside the recycle bin, when we open a recycle bin, we can see all the deleted file and folders, and we have option of restoring all those items. Either we can select one item, or we can restore a single item, or we can at one go we can restore everything that we have deleted so far. So for those, that's command we need to click and restore all. We just need to click on restore all items, so it automatically will restore everything that has been deleted so far. Then the next is taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of your screen. It contains the start button and the buttons for all programs. So it is at the bottom of the desktop area, and it contains the start button, and from where we get the all other programs inside a computer. So it has three main sections. So the taskbar has three main sections, and these are the start button on the left side of the taskbar, which opens the start menu and quick launch icons. I need to show you that Here we can see on the diagram that this is a taskbar and it has got a three main um, partitions or sections. Like the first is this start button. Then this is our quick launch toolbars. Then this is system tray, and this is a notification area. Between this start button and the notification area, we have the middle section of a taskbar, which contain the quick launch icons. Means every shortcut of any important program, we can create a shortcut menu, shortcut icon on the taskbar, and we can access it by single clicking on it. So we need to single click on that icon and it will open. So it also works as a shortcut command for us. So the basically the taskbar is divided into three sections: the left section, the middle section, and the right section. Left section is a start button itself. Middle section we have a quick launch toolbar and the display area for all the open programs. And on the right side, right section of the taskbar, we have the notification area and the system tray. So the middle section which shows you which program and files you have opened, the notification area on the right hand side of the taskbar, which includes system tray, notification area, computer network icons, system sound icon, and date and time icons that tells the status of certain programs and computer settings. Here we can see the uh, single image of a taskbar of a desktop. This is your start button. These are your quick launch icons, which is in the middle section of a taskbar. And then we have a notification area and date and time system tray where we can get the date and time of a system. So this is the diagram of a taskbar. And what we can do with the start button, with the help of a start button, we can run any program. There is one more area on the taskbar that is easily overlooked at show desktop button. This side. This is your show desktop button. Okay, so we need to click it. Whatever the application and number of applications, when or we have opened so many applications on the desktop, over the desktop, and desktop is hidden. With this single click on the show desktop button, it will directly browse or direct us to the desktop area. So this is also that is why it is called that is taskbar is easily overlooked. So this taskbar is easily overlooked because we cannot see. If we have to see very neatly on the right corner of the taskbar to see the this command button, and this command button is called the show desktop button. In the above image we will find a narrow rectangle on to the right of the clock. So here if we'll just stay focused, then you will be able to see the right. It's a triangle, and then by clicking on this button, all the open program will be minimized, and we can see the desktop straight away. Then running an application. The run command on operating systems such as Microsoft Windows and Unix-like system is used to directly open an application or document whose path is known. So run command is accessible through the start button and also through the shortcut by window plus R. So we need to press the window key on our keyboard with combination of letter R to open this run window. And although the run command is still present on the Windows Vista and later, it no longer appears directly to the start button by default. It favors of the new search box and a shortcut to the run command in accessories submenu. Okay, so while clicking on the run start button, and then we go to the run, and then we can write any program that we want to open, like a notepad. If you want to open, you just have to type notepad and click on OK, or you can type on wordpad and then you click OK, and then directly we can open such programs. So this is how we can open a program using the run command. So if you need to enter arguments like run restart with an argument with the means with the command, and then you can open any application. So this is about the desktop. So that's it for today's class. In our next class we'll study further about the computer, Windows, and its component. Thank you very much and stay safe.